So we know that our brain is our master control panel. All of our feelings, our mood, our perceptions, our beliefs, they're all mediated through our brain. Our ability to exercise willpower, to use and access our skills, to sleep, to have choice, to relax, all of these are also mediated through our brain and our brain chemicals. So if our brain is in balance, we are more likely to be in balance. The neurotransmitters are specifically the chemicals that mediate our mood and behavior. So all of our feelings, behaviors, and our ability to respond to stress are all mediated through these neurotransmitters. Depleted neurotransmitters lead to symptoms such as depression, apathy, anxiety, insomnia, etc. And the whole premise of my courses is that it's our brain's job to allow us to cope with stress gracefully, but to do that, it must be fed optimally. And what you'll be learning from me is how to feed each individual brain optimally. So to some degree, one size fits all, but beyond that, it very much doesn't. We are all bio individuals, and learning how to identify what fits me versus you is part of what's going to happen through both levels of this course.